Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to import DNS zone file into Porkbun. So step number 1, access your Porkbun account and navigate to the domain management page. Find the specific domain for which you want import records and click the details button to its right. In the details drop-down, click the edit icon next to DNS Records to open the DNS Records window. Select record type from the top of the management DNS record screen and choose the appropriate DNS record type from the type drop-down menu. For the host field, enter the host or subdomain as specified in your zone file. Enter the answer or value, copy the corresponding answer or value from your zone file and paste it into the appropriate field. Click the Add button to save the individual record. Continue repeating this record for every record in your zone file until all necessary records are added to your Porkbun domain. Porkbun does not offer an automatic import for full zone files, and you will need to go through each record in your zone file and add it manually in Porkbun's interface. Before adding new records, you may want to delete any old or conflicting records by clicking the trash can icon next to the Prevent Issues. That's it. Thanks for watching.